Hey guys, let's talk about the Anjuer laundry room clothes rack. This is a wall-mounted retractable hanger. So this is what it looks like. It's so nice and sleek, and it does come with all the things you need to install it into the wall, and this part will be facing the wall. And then all you gotta do is after you install it, you're gonna be pulling it like so, and you get all this space to hang your clothes. So you hang all your hangers here, you finish up your laundry, and then you just push it right inside and it goes back into the wall, and this is how it looks from the outside. I really like the finish and the color. It's black, so it's easily spottable, but it doesn't take too much space, and people are going to be asking what is that, and you get to tell them it is a retractable wall hanger. Okay, this is a great product. We are gonna be putting this in our laundry room, and I hope you guys get yourselves one too.